can a feather. Nearly at 2K, you man. Nearly. How's it going, Tobbs? What I would say, man, in terms of starting, wait, let me just send these links in, bro. 2 secs, sorry, man. Let me just shoot this announcement in the Discord. But I say the best ways for a mentor, I'll be so honest, because I feel like you save yourself that first year of just not knowing what you're doing and just testing shit. First thing I'll tell you right now, bro, you need to knuckle down with a strategy. That's like the first thing. Knuckle down with just find one strategy, trade it, learn how it works, learn the concepts, and then start moving on to sort of the psychological side and then the fundamental side. But focus on one strategy. Focus one that's good, because at the end of the day, you can trade anyway, bro. As long as you know what you're trading and it makes sense in terms of the charts, you're good. But that's why I'd say I'd find a mentor, bro. Best route to go down. There's G5. What are you saying, brother? Let me just jump on TikTok here, man. It's the first stream of the new PC as well. Hopefully we run smoothly. I'm hoping we can run smoothly. I might as well stream on this phone as far as it goes. There we go. Let's go. It's Jesse, I switched my mobile account. Yes, Jesse, how we doing, man? Hope you had a good weekend, boys. Good little relax, little reset. Afternoon, Tommy, my boy. Back to the charts this week. Again, I think we have come back into a bit more uncertainty. That's for sure. I think the uncertainty lies around the euro at the moment. I wouldn't say we're necessarily weak euro because we're not. As we can see just from EG, but again we are basing it off a bearish pound as well. So at the moment we've got pound as the weakest. I'd say at the moment euro and the dollar are sort of battling. We're sort of about break even for the day. So we've had that move down and now we've had that move up, right? So where is the main move of the day? We've not actually been shown the main move of the day yet. We've just moved up and then straight back to where we came down and then just came straight back to where he was. Reckon was good. How about you? Man, it was good, man. Nice chilled one. Went to a nice oyster and seafood bar. Had to queue time for it. It was lovely though, I'll be honest. But yeah, that's what I did on my Saturday. Played golf as well in the morning. Played shit. Nice to be there though, man. Yeah, that's it really, man. Sunday chilled out, man. Chilled out the whole day. I think. Can't fully remember, even though that was just yesterday. Took a trade today, not today, bro. Monday for me is more of a preparation day for the week ahead. As you can see from today, we've not had any real movement. Asia liquidity's played out very well, but it hasn't actually brought any positions to us. EU, GU, very similar. How do I fundamental? So no, bro. Honestly, man, I don't even trade New York boys, right? So I'm honestly here to help you, man. And if you haven't got any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Like, on God, I swear, you could ask me anything. To a certain extent, of course. We do mentoring, bro. What I can do for you is, I can drop you a 50% off for your first month. Because again, you're coming into this space brand new, right? So it's always good to start off on the right foot. To be honest, you don't even need to sign up. What I'd say, bro, is just watch my streams. Watch a few of my videos on YouTube. If you go to the YouTube channel, right, after this live, maybe you want to watch this stream, maybe we can talk a bit more. But after this stream, drop me a message on Instagram or something. My Instagram's right at the top, RichSFX. And I'll send you what videos to watch on YouTube, because we've got a good sort of starter playlist on there. It's called Ground Zero. You'll probably find it yourself, but if it's a playlist on our YouTube. It's good to watch, man. Yes, Candle Kid, what we saying, man? Candle Kid, that's lit. Would you have taken the GU sell sub if it was a Tuesday now? Again, not necessarily, because, I mean, look, there's no trade there for GU. For me, there was no setup there in terms of my entry model. So, no, not at all. EU, same thing. Yes, we moved down, we took the Asia low, started to move up, but at the same time, we didn't actually have an entry model for it, right? So from that perspective, no. It doesn't matter what day it was for me, there was no trade. EU was far... It would have been nice, right? We took sell side liquidity, we had the initial move down to the Friday low, 15-minute structure was working, but just no retap back onto a 15-minute, even back to the fair value that I was looking at. I was pretty much looking at this. We was looking at this in the pre-London. I know Lou was looking at EU buy as well, which was nice. He was looking for something similar, I'm pretty sure. But this is what I was looking at. As you can see, we just didn't get that move back down. Shows the sort of displacements that are just getting shown in the market. But over to the upside and to the downside, we pretty much had fucking Asia mirror London, pretty much. Ooh, I don't think I've got a charger for this phone. I'm gonna have to log into this account on this phone actually. How do I log into another account with? How do I log into another account? Switch accounts. Log in. This one. Oh, nice. Boys, let me just switch phones. 2 secs, TikTok. Thank you. That's better, players. Did you buy followers? On what? How can you have more followers than likes? Yeah, we bought 1,000 followers so we can go live, bro. Just so we can go live in it, so we can stream. Watch XRP. Here we go. XRP's doing numbers, right? We're seeing Bitcoin at like what 1, 2, 3, I think. Fucking numbers. Crypto's moving. It's got motion at the moment. It does have motion. I'm looking at EU and GU sells from the 50-minute time frame, trying to get confirmation. I think sells are very nice, Jesse. I think that's a shout. Again, I would say I'm more weighing towards the stronger dollar than euro and pound. Definitely, I would say GU sells are nice. Again, our previous data coming out from the UK was awful. What's your boo? So what's happening at 2 PM, Josh? For XRPZ? Let the gang know. How we doing, man? I'm all good, Chris, man. How you doing, man? How's your weekend? What 4 hour are we looking at on there? are we looking at this? We have already taken that 4-hour external low. EU looks like it has grabbed some nice liquidity to start to move. We've had a nice move into that 4 hour to the left, the most bottom fair value within this range. Well, there's actually one more. That one on the candle? Did that tap in or did that miss? Wow, to like the near off the literal T. We've had a really strong reaction off that. Again, I would sort of favour the sells. I'll go more towards GU though. Pound a bit more bearish. Yeah, good bro. Oasis on Saturday. Jeez. Oasis are so cold. Where's that at? O2? All the XRP shit is a bag. Trust. ISO 222 is implemented at 2 PM. What's that? What's that then, Josh? What the fuck is that? Yeah, boys, we're live on YouTube right now. YouTube channel is Richest Effects. Just what's up there. If you want to come join YouTube, you can actually see the whole screen, and you haven't got. I mean, the screen looks shit with this like blurry stuff. How does that stop? How do you stop that? Is it just not focused on the screen? Or is that just what it does if you've got a camera on it? Do you know what I mean? It looks a bit shizzy. So boys, jump on the YouTube, man. Whenever I stream on TikTok, we stream on YouTube as well. So YouTube's our main streaming platform, really. We just jump on TikTok because... what the fuck now? Did you have a quick look at EJ? So yeah, sorry bro, I thought you said that a few times, sorry about that. Yeah, EJ filled that gap. So this is what we was, again, this is another thing we was looking at this morning. EJ is what we was looking at. Not with the 15, because we didn't take the Friday low, nor the Friday 50. We was looking at the 5 minute. Again, price just didn't come back down to our fair value. So today we've had an awkward ass day, to be honest. In terms of getting in something's difficult, right? But I think, again, this is really going to set our pace for the week. We might have a bit more for the cumulative day tomorrow if we do have a big move today. Heaton Park Bank, nice. Oh, Manny. Pardon me. Nice. I feel like EU might come up a bit higher. Where are we at? It would be nice, right? I mean, it would be great to come to that Asia higher. That would be optimal. That would be definitely optimal. 80% of banks in America can legally use 6 cryptos for payments across countries. Trillions of dollars running through it every day from today. Going worldwide in November. Whoa. Nice, the 1% today on EU from risking 0.25%. Lovely stuff, Chaz. Lovely stuff. Stu got in a long, I think, on EU on his FTMO, which was nice. CPI tomorrow, US. Yes, 1:30. We do have some more news. I think it's mainly US data coming out this week, I'm pretty sure. We've got... tomorrow, yeah, 1:30 CPI. And then the following day, we've got 1:30 PPI, so that's price producer index. And then the next day, we've got retail sales and unemployment claims at 1:30. And then Friday, we've got 3 o'clock sort of medium. Yeah, we've got a prelim sentiment for the consumer and inflation, which is a bit more of a low impact news. Oh, we got CPI for the pound on Wednesday. Nice. How's that looking? It's looking pretty similar. Again, inflation would be nice to come down in the UK. Will it? Fuck no, definitely not. I don't think so anyway. GDP's down. I mean, we'll see. We may even be cutting interest rates soon, I'll be honest. Yes, Tommy, what we saying, brother? What's good? You bearish currencies against the dollar, really? Yeah. I am favouring dollar at the moment over anything. Again, these tariffs does sort of weigh a lot more favouring to the dollar because you get sort of more pushed into safer assets. Dollar is safer than the pound. Dollar is safer than the euro at the moment, really. Especially with that possible 30% tariffs on EU if they do not come up with a deal. 30% tariffs on EU will be bad really bad for EU, and we would have a pretty weak euro from that. Because again, a lot of stuff is sold by these European. Again, it's still going to fuck American companies. That's the thing. It's still going to fuck American companies, which is peak. But it is going to fuck euro a lot as well. And that's the last thing you want. 30% tariffs. Again, a lot of Cars come from Europe. A lot of cars. Which is sort of why they're putting this big tariff on. Because they obviously want to manufacture a lot more cars. What else do EU give to them? I say give. What does EU sell to? I need to log into my ChatGPT. Let me log into that. You're looking for anything during New York? What I'm not looking for necessarily a trade. I'm more looking for a bit more of an understanding of where we're going to move. I feel like GU and EU do have potential moves to the upside, but again, I am still sort of weighing in the favour of that dollar. EJ, I reckon that there is definitely potential longs to the upside of the DTO. I want to see that take prior week high, prior day high. I'm still bearish yen. Again, massive uncertainty around the yen right now. Interest rates so low. The differentiation of the interest rates over in Japan are fucking nuts in comparison to US, UK, ECB. Even ECB, and their interest rates are like half ours. Which is mad. Not only that, again, massive uncertainty in terms of monetary policy. I'm pretty sure they're in a bad situation, I think, Japan, actually. Especially when we're seeing these tariffs way above their heads. I feel like they could potentially have tariffs be added to them as well, which is the last thing they want. They sell electrical equipment and medicine and shit. Yeah, they've got pharmaceuticals. Again, we've got, not Pfizer. What's the other one? Oh, it is Pfizer. No, it's Pfizer. Is it Pfizer? No, that's American. Which one is it? Is it American? Where is it based? It's Pfizer in the UK. No. Oh, it's American. What's the European one? I know it's not AstraZeneca because that's English. Oh, you know what as well? Lockheed Martin as well. Their stocks have been doing half alright at the time being. What are the stocks? What are the pharma EU companies? For some reason I can't actually remember them. What? Sanofi, Bayer AG, Novo, and Ipsen. Yeah, Sanofi, yeah. That's it. A lot of it is machinery and equipment. That was it. Yeah, chemicals, pharma. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yeah, transport equipment, automobiles, aircraft parts. Lots of stuff. So again, that would massively fuck you. People panic buying 31 million in trading volume in 1 minute today for XRP. Fucking hell. I might have to have a little check on it then. I wish you luck, Josh. Wish you good luck. That looks really nice to continue up though. The momentum on that is insane. We've still seen Bitcoin's dropped a little. We've seen a little drop, a little rebalance. What were you looking at for this morning? Mainly EU, bro. EU buyers. That's what I was looking at mainly. But it just didn't give me an entry to the upside. And it did actually complete. Did it? No, it hasn't. It's not yet complete, actually. We do want to see EU and GU take the Asia high, because I do want to see where we go from here. Again, are we going to reverse at the Asia high, or are we going to continue at the Asia high? I think that's sort of the main question I'm at the moment. So we're back at the Friday 50s, so the Friday low to the Friday 50s work. The Friday arrays perfectly worked out. So it depends what we're going to do now. We're going to come set the high, we're going to continue down. Or we're going to continue. Start with that reversal of this fair value right there. We'll see. We will definitely see, man. How much are you holding, Josh? Well, that's a personal question, Chazzy. I'll fuck with how you explain shit. Appreciate you, bro. What, as in inflation? What, inflation, Chris? GJ buys would have been perfect this morning if we got that pullback. Same with EJ, man. Like, EJ would have been bare nice, because again, I'm a bit more stronger euro than pound at the moment. So... yeah. I kind of would rather see EG trades. But again, GJ was nice, just didn't have that pullback. We haven't yet taken Asia higher, so... in terms of GJ, I do want to see that come down to minimum Friday, come back up to the Friday 50 minimum. We've taken that Friday low, so that move up now would be perfect. EG still pissing about. Come on, Josh, my brother. My brother. Are we going to see that Asia get higher, get taken? I hope we do. Really hope we do. Yeah, we do mentoring, Tobes. But like what I was saying, bro, give a little watch on some of our YouTube videos first, because just have a jump into that like ground zero, man. Just get a bit of an introduction into it, you know. Because you might realise you want to trade like something else, right? But again, I'd say pick your lane. If you want to learn Forex, learn Forex. You want to learn futures, learn futures. You want to learn stocks, wherever it may be. Find that lane, then find that strategy. And then from there, yeah, you just got to build and build and build. Things as well, we jump on calls every morning, boys. Every morning I'm on a call for about 2.5 hours, just going over the market. If there is anything. There might not even be anything. There might be nothing forming. We might be waiting for a certain bit of data to come out. But again, understanding that is so key. A lot of people don't understand. That's why the pre-Londons are so fucking good. Especially if you're new. Especially if you're new. Pretty sure the follows my people then. My sister. Yeah. Oh shit. 2 section, man. It looks like I want to see the reaction come back to the upside. We don't have a clear 15-minute trade through. We kind of do. It'd be nice to see it continue back up. Do want to see that Asia high get swept. I think that's main. Even if you want to be selling, you want to see the high get took. Really. Same with the dollar. GU's not moving too bad, to be fair, in terms of the dollar. We're seeing gold do really well today. Gold, silver, most commodities do strong. Again, relying more on safer assets. I think that's what we've been having at like most start of the weeks, like Monday. I don't know if you're a gold trader or a silver trader, but we've been having sort of more of a strong move on Monday. And I think that is just purely off the huge uncertainty going into the week. You see gold, or not even gold, commodities just rise on Monday at the moment. That's what I've really been seeing. Not for the whole day, but you do see a like moderate push into safer assets, and I think commodities definitely gets a decent move on a Monday. I feel like definitely that some gold traders could capitalise on that, or silver traders, or whatever you may trade, even just commodity traders. Yes, F zone. Yes, H. What you saying, bro? Man, like Harry. Go on, boys. 10k lags. 10k lags. Yeah, boys. If you want to see my whole street, if you actually want to see my whole street, looks. Just come join on YouTube. Actually, I'm not even gonna fucking explain it. Boys, just come join YouTube. Fuck TikTok. Respectfully. No, fuck that. I'm like disrespectfully, really. Just come jump on YouTube, boys. Username's over there, man. Much easier to see over on the stream. Does anyone else simply reply to abuse on FIFA? So I'm. Oh, it's so easily done, man. It's what chair is that you're on? I couldn't tell you, bro. To be brutally honest, I'm not too sure. FIFA's essential. I think FIFA's essential for all that shit, though, isn't it? People just absolutely abusing one another. We are getting a strong move down here in EU. Might not even see that Asia High get swept nor the actual move to the upside. EG we might just see continue again. DTO level probably the best for buyers back down there. I can still see us come down though, man. What were we reacting off? Piss all, really. Nothing much, really. Can you check EU for sure, man? What are you looking at for EU? Again, at the moment, we're sort of in between. We've not yet swept that higher, so sells, I think, are a little bit premature. DTO is Daily True Open. It stands for Daily True Open. Pretty much is it's a really key level of price. So it marks out midnight New York time, right? Price loves to react to the DTO, like it fucking loves it, especially on EG. If you're a trader who trades Euro GBP, you can see it happen a lot. But yeah, it pretty much just marks out midnight New York time. Midnight New York time, boys, is so good. Every single day at midnight, it's 5 AM in the UK, obviously we're 5 hours ahead, 5 AM. It works so well in terms, if you're looking for a continuation move of Asia, the DTO is honestly exceptional, man. It's insane. Again, don't trade it, just test it. I'm the one giving the abuse. You just can't accept defeat at all. I want to see Asia High get taken out then go short. I think that's the best idea for EU. I'd say similar for GU. GU still has a bit of movement to do in terms of getting to that high. But I would say GU sells would probably be nicer, just off the basis that the pound's weaker than the euro. I think that's the reason why. But again, is that a reason why the pound might not, well, GU might not come and take that Asia high? I think that's sort of why we're sort of in between on EU and GU right now. EG, again, not really any orders from there. Why? Because we're just moving sort of up. We're just moving up. I think DTO, you taking any trades this morning? I didn't see anything A+. Nah, true. Not at all, bro. I didn't want to place anything. No entries were given to me. EU buys were definitely potential for me. In fact, I was just waiting for price to actually come back to actually start retracing more, but he just didn't. But honestly, bro, most Mondays I don't trade. I just sit it out. And again, that's why most traders do that, and you can see that because, like I said, safe assets do get bought on Mondays. At the moment, I'm not saying every Monday. I'm saying at the moment we're seeing Monday. You don't see safe assets getting sold. We see them go up, not all the way up, but we have that initial move to the upside. We see it all the time, and again, that's just from huge uncertainty. Same with silver. I'm always the full gold teams that seem to spank me. Yeah. Come back down, bro. Didn't come back down to the DTO. But yeah, like for an example, like in terms of DTO, again, we're sort of more looking at a continuation here, right? So the DTO level will be acting as our sort of support level. We can see we bounced off it a few times. Did want to get another push off, and then potential buy along, but yeah, that's the DTO, man. Give it a test, man. The 5 AM candle, the open of the 5 AM candle. Yeah, EU nearly looked nice. It nearly did, man. Nearly had what we wanted, but yeah, it's a little bit off. Yeah, it is. It is completely rough with fucking. I don't understand why though, man. It's always the fault. Yeah, trust. I mean, again, you just know they're just hacking, innit? Yeah, currently up 1% in GU sales. Lovely stuff, bro. EJ testing me. What are you in for, EJ? Sorry, bro. DTO. Use your code for AC, bro. Yes, come on, G. Come on, brother. Wait, boys, by the way, when you use our code, our ACG discount code, we are able to give away accounts in our Discord. ACG allow us to give away accounts. So yeah, boys, if you grab an account, use our code, get in the Discord, man. Last Friday we did a 25k account giveaway or a 50k account. I can't actually remember. For an ACG account. Man, that Slaps won it. Where is Slaps today, man? What you saying, buddy? It's Jamal. What we saying, bro? Let's have a look at gold. What are you looking at on gold at the moment? We have had a massive drop off after that Asia high, though. I definitely still think continuations of gold. We got to bear in mind, gold's really high at the moment. Gold price. Okay. Got banned for fraud and scams. Well. We're back here, are we? Fuck's sake. £20 balance from gifts. What the fuck have people gifted us for us to have £20 in our fucking TikTok thing? Right. We're gonna have to try another account. Is one of those new ones back or not? Post another video. Taylor's little video will do. Bruv. Yes, Mehmet, what we saying, bro? Oh, bro, it's so jarring. Enough for a 5k account. What you on about, EK? What do you mean, bro? Yeah, what we saying, Mehmet, man? How we doing, bro? I haven't spoken to you in a bit, man. Yeah, I feel like EU is just going to start moving down now, boys. It just is going to start moving down. How come we got off New York midnight open and not UK midnight open? Just way more volume in US session, bro. In terms of like just orders from the US. Like we want to be trading. That's why I think the DTO is so good, because we sort of partner up the European session with New York traders. But the DTO is like the DTO is from Courtney Theory. That's what the DTO is from. You got the DTO in terms, sorry, Courtney Theory as in AMDX, XAMD, and then you got weekly Tropen, daily Tropen. So it's good. It's pretty much it's a law. You may. Good man, and I ain't been in a 1 PM live much, bit busy trying to come back. Yeah, that's fair dues, man. 1 PM is just bang on midday and it's difficult. It's difficult times. I must we must see what tariffs come out today. We got New York Stock Exchange open in less than an hour. I have the Alpha account in there. Not today, bro. There weren't any entries, and you know what I mean, man. Mondays is more of a preparation day. It's exactly why, to be honest, boys. The market doesn't really know where it wants to be. What's this email? Oh. So. Okay. Yes, Nick, what we saying, bro? UK already has a deal, which should be good. Yeah. EU gonna sell off once it does it. Yeah, that's the thing. EU, GU. The pound's already sort of gonna be a little bit more stable. It's just weak. The pound's just weak, really. That's the problem with the pound. It's not strong at all. Data's been shit. Again, we're gonna get data Wednesday. Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? We got the inflation for the pound at 7. I think so. Wednesday. So we'll see how that comes out. We might get some positive news. Monday London Open have been so shit recently. I said this to Lou and he said for the first hour or two they're crap, can't trade it. Yeah, it's always shit, bro. Monday's a day I don't trade, really. Like, yeah. I very, very rarely have any Monday trades on a yearly basis. But that's what I would say. That's a reason why I'm profitable. That's one of the reasons why I am profitable, because I don't trade Monday. I don't force anything on Mondays. And like a year like this year, the market's uncertain anyways. So on a Monday, it's going to be really uncertain. Without any new data, fresh data. We're seeing bonds get bought up. UK bonds are getting bought. US bonds ain't. To be fair, it's just the pound. It's just the UK ones, actually. No, I'll say that. I don't know what more certainty the market's got. EG would have been so nice if it come back to DTO. Mondays and Fridays are crap. Yeah, trust me, man. Sometimes Fridays can be decent, but not, yeah, that's it, man. But that's the thing. That's why I wouldn't even bother trading it, because I wouldn't even bother risking to trade those days. Do you know what I mean? Where you can have like, where you can have like when you just got a low chance of actually getting a good trade. Do you know what I mean? I think those days are just pointless to trade. And again, like, let's be honest, we work for ourselves, boys. We can pick a day that we don't have to work. And the best day for that is a day that you're going to trade. So Friday, I'd say, is the best one. Hopefully Trump slaps 100,000. He's looking at 30%, isn't he? He said if there's not a deal done by August the 1st, they're going to put 30% tariff on the EU. But fucking 100%, that would be crazy, bro. Again, it's not good for American companies, so short term it's going to be great for the dollar, but I think long term it's not necessarily the best. Unless manufacturing starts really coming back to the US, then you start seeing it. But Friday either moves 6 pips or 60 with no in between. That's it, man. No cap. No cap. It's an awkward day, boys. For me, it's an anomaly. Do you know what I mean? It's the anomaly of the week. Let's look back at EJ. Oh, the move of the DTO was horny. Mad how one person moves the market so much. Yeah, it's crazy. It's fucking weird. It is mad. But DTO looks... looks fucking nice of that DTO. Who is looking to get an EJ? Oh, it's someone from the TikTok, wasn't it? Well, he's no longer here, is he? That's not. Let's look on on our website for news. China. I don't care about them guys, do we? Literally don't care about those guys. Literally don't care. There's actually a lot of news. Let me filter out the shit ones, actually. Yeah, boys, on our website, by the way, if you don't know already, we have an economic calendar which does show you a little bit more news that's coming out than Forex Factory. So I'd say definitely when you check like Forex Factory, for example, also check our website. If you go to like I'll tell you what, I'll just show you now. If you just go, I don't know if you can see that. If you just press on this tab here, it pulls up the economic calendar, and obviously you can edit it to the way you want. Use that shit, boys. Use that shit. Oh. And there we go. Shit. This is all of the news for this week, high impact wise. No, that's just the 16th. That's not even just this week. But yeah, I'd advise using that, boys, if you can. Oh, EU's come back to... Yeah, I think EU's just going to come down now, man. What do you boys think with EU? I think it is just going to start coming down. I can't massively see it. I think it showed us what a thick... I do reckon we will hit EU 2021 summer highs for EU. We're in a fair value gap, so today's probably a good day to miss for tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. Today is a good day to miss. There was no entries anyway, which is kind of good. I like it when there's a day that doesn't give me like Monday doesn't give any entries, like for my strategy. I do really like that. So again, it does sort of remind me why I use this day to prepare. Same for Fridays. I like it when you have like a failed setup on a Friday. I love it. Feels so good. Sorry, because one of you boys could be on the trade, but it just proves to me that Friday just isn't the day for me. I'll be real, Fridays have been quite good for me this year. I've had, on stream, I've had 2-3 wins just from Fridays this year. We've probably only had about 3 or 4 trades, 5 trades on a Friday. So it's not actually gone that bad, really. But It is what it is. I might be a bit bitchy. I'm playing FIFA. Yeah, that's understandable. That is ridiculously understandable. That makes sense to me. I might be a bit bitchy. Stu, you just have some sass to you though, I feel like. I feel like Stu is just sassy. Sassy Stu, eh? Yes, Julie. But honestly, I feel like the £20 you got from TikTok, bro, enough to buy 5k. Trust. Richard's website is my second favourite website with the orange and black theme. Come on, Chaz, my bro. Big spuds, man. Respect it. I'm missing Rich S. Everyone misses Rich S when they leave. Everyone does. Everyone. Every single person, man. Oh, Corn Hub is amazing, mate. Corn Hub. I've got an itchy anus, boys. 2 secs. Let me just itch myself. Oh my god, R9 or R9, R96 Richarlison. Man said R9 or R9. You don't get to pick either of them now, Stu. You have to pick someone else. The audacity to call Richarlison R9 is insane. It's absolutely insane. I think buys off the DTO EU could be nice. I mean, I'm not looking for any trades, but that manoeuvre could look nice. Again, I would definitely wait. We do want to see some form of a 5-minute trade through, and again, that's pretty high up. We're looking at a 5-minute trade through here, which is very high. But obviously, you want to be short. GU spies are just awful. I think EG off the detail was really nice. I say perfect. Didn't come back down to it. The old itch and sniff. Fucking hell, lads. He's Brazil #9. His stats with... Okay, stats-wise, maybe. What do you mean stats? What do you mean stat? Well, like actual real-life stats? Are you joking, bro? Are you fucking having me on? Oh, Nizzy. Nazar. The bald man himself. The guy for some reason had like the worst haircut in history. But was still able to play insane ball. What's your strategy? Asia liquidity grab, bro. That is my strategy. I've been training for a few years now. Good 3.5 years. Yeah. Obviously a lot more than just ALG, bro. The fundamentals does come into play for me. I'm quite heavy. Who said stats, Harvey? Am I just... name starts with an R. Who the fuck are you calling? Who the fuck? You are sorting, you Stu. You're losing that game of FIFA, are you? You little... I'm not even on TikTok. I can say some really nasty things to you. Some really nasty things. You better hold that ponytail tight, boy. When I beat your ass. Anime, join the Discord, brother. Big community, man. On the road to 9k members. We're also on the road to 2k followers on YouTube, or subscribers, whatever the fuck you call it. Boys, if you're in this stream right now and you're not subscribed, I'll give you 10 very light seconds to go ahead and press that button before you get some really bad karma in your life, and I will pray on your downfall. I promise you. I'll pray. I'll pray. Me and God are pretty. Do you know what I'm saying? So you better watch your shit, boy. You better sub. You better sub or get butt fucked. Okay, I'll take that back. You're not gonna get that. Fucking subscribe though, man. What the hell are you playing at? No cap. Oh, the detail move could be nice. We'll just see if there is a 5-minute trade through. If there's not, then we'll move back to EG and see what EG's doing. Again, I would like to see EG come back to the DTO and then the longs off that. That would be perfect. Giroud mogging the fuck out. Second TikTok. Oh, I'm not live on YouTube, bro. Sorry. The fuck? I'm not live on TikTok right now. I don't actually have an account. Got banned for fraud and scams. Hello, little thing. I didn't know you was there. Come give me a little bubble then. Get your little ass up here, girl. Come on. Yeah. Where's my doggy? This is my doggy. Say hi, man. Oh, little young. Such a pretty ass down there, boy. Girl, boy. Mwah. We could just get a move into it and a move down, though. To be honest, we'll see. We'll see. All right, fuck off then, you little idiot. Bro, women, man. Women are weird. You know, they want one thing, then they want the other. They want that thing, then this thing. And now they want that thing. I know, but I want that thing. Then they want everything. Then they don't want anything. Fucking hell. You know what I mean, boys? Oh, the EG move of the DTO is so nice. Is EU going to follow suit, though? Is the question. Are we going to see it? Date men, much simpler. Join the dark side. Oh, man. Excellent suggestion. Date men, just much simpler. I feel like that's what we do, though, isn't it? That's kind of what... No, that's... Okay, hold up. Wait, hear me out, though, innit? I didn't mean it that way. It's kind of bit. I meant it in a way like... You know when you... Yeah, that's how they... I didn't mean that way. I didn't mean... Man, maybe I should just trade and shut the fuck up about anything else. Might be better for me. No, but I feel like when you're bare close to your brethren, isn't it? When you're bare close to your mates. Nah, that just sounds gay. That sounds gay. Yeah, that sounds gay. Yeah, that's gay. I didn't mean it in a gay way, though. You might know what I mean. I don't gay off of my brethren. Shorting off the fair value, are we going for the London continuation? I think that's the move. What I want to see from EU here, Nemwe, oh, I don't know what's going on there. Push off the DTO. I think what we are waiting for is the possible trade through or the close within. And again, we're getting the close within. We might see what we might see what this candle does. Only go if you ain't got socks on. Man, that's facts. Fuck wearing socks though. No, no, but bro, why is everything I say like sounds like proper sounds sort of bent? I'll tell you, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that in a gay way. It was sort of a separate point that wearing socks is kind of gay, sort of thing. Not gay, but like it's just I don't know. No socks is better. No, but I can't tell if we're saying it in a gay way or not. I'm not saying it in a gay way. I'm not on that shit. I mean, just in Jenny. So bad. I think sleeping with socks on is criminal, man. I think that's that type of action should get you fucking locked up in a fucking penitentiary somewhere. Bro's outgayed me today. Yeah, I've accidentally outgayed everyone. My bad, you man. My bad. It looks like we're just going to move off and we're going to continue. The close above was vital for the potential longs. I think it makes sense for EU to start coming down now, though, after we did come to the Friday 50. I think it does make sense. Juice coming back up, dollars coming back down. Gold's really come down. Holy shit. Has anything come out? Let's have a look at our news flow. I just want... So this is what I sort of mean by technical. By a lot of institutions trade technical. Like Sterling holds a 3-week low. Like that's a technical based sort of analysis. Here we go. Euro press to Trump 30% tariffs. Oh, that was yesterday. That was it yesterday. Nothing massive's really come out today, really, at all. Clash is the only shitted activity. What? Plan your attacks. What? Clans or Royale? EU shorts. I think EU shorts are the better option to. Again, I would say you'd rather look at GU shorts. To be honest. I think they're the best. I reckon that Dito is going to be really fucking nice for GU. We do have a fair value here. We'll see where it comes to. Since you got the ball rolling, just say you have a piss sitting down. It's a safe space. Nah, man. I think the best. I'm not even going to go into that. Do it all the time and play Clash Royale. Clash Royale is somewhere else. Clash Royale is actually probably one of the best phone games ever created. To be honest. Nothing's better. Strategically, it's actually a fucking hard game when you actually get good as well. It's a fucking sick game. Come in. Oh, sorry. No, we got permanently banned. Come in. I made a true or dude error. I thought this keeper was a... No. An in public true or dude error is not good, Stu. Thank God he didn't move to him, or her, or him. Wait, you thought he was a man or he was a woman? Oh, was it a good? So it wasn't a good. It wasn't a good dude then. Oh, it was truly a woman. Was it truly a woman or was it truly a man? One Clash of Clans. Chaz, no, for real, bro. I actually couldn't put that better myself. I actually couldn't put that better. I'll say Clash Royale is better than Clash of Clans, I'll be honest. Pardon me. Balloons TD is a fucking sick game. Either of them. The Battles one or the Tower Defense, man. 30 games. It looks like EGU is just... It's a woman. Oh. Or it's actually a woman and you thought it was a man. Was it just an ugly woman or was it just a trans... Was it trans... Was it trans... Was it trans? Was it trans? Clash of Clans takes 10 years to build a turret, trust me. My Clash of Clans is actually 30, to be fair. I must say. I'm pretty sure it is. I haven't actually... I've got to re-download it. Let me re-download it and try and show you, man. I want to see what the spot I'm on. But yeah, looks like GU is just going to move down off this fair value, to be honest. Looks like EU's going to do the same. Just continue. This is why it's vital to look at trade throughs, boys. This is why. This is why you don't just buy instantly. This is why you look at trade views. Oh, your sell limit didn't go off. Where was you looking to short off the DTO? Like that, or that like around our fair value. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's a fucking bare good base. Is there new shit? Must be bare new shit. What turn on, man? Ah, look at that. Is that good? I actually can't remember. Come on, turn on 14. Come on, bruv. Come on, Chaz. I haven't played that in a minute, man. I might actually give that a little go after, man. It's the bear like that game. I love games, you man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm that guy. I love games. I'm not gonna cap. I definitely think it's down to the ADHD, but I love games. Man, I'm not even gonna lie. Come in, come in. Oh, okay. That's unlucky, man. I don't think we're going to see it come back up in terms of GU. Channel 13 after playing since 2019. Nice. I must have been bro. Can you actually see how long you've had your account for? I know I've had it for long because my name's Bear Gay. My name's ZX Vipers. Do I kiss gentlemen or something? Do I? How do you know how long you've had your thing for then? Oh, one of my brethren still plays. No way, bruv. No way. He's in a little battle as well. No way, bro. That's jokes. Might them still play this then, man? I thought people stopped. That's kind of why I stopped. Richest Clash for... Yes! Yes! In fact, let's fucking do that shit right now. I feel like I'm sort of obligated to make it, I guess. I'm gonna make that right now. No, I'm blowing a detail, but that's such a shout, man. They're gonna have a perfect logo for us, though, surely. Boys, join it the fuck up, man. Join. Just Rich S, boys. Just me in there. Join that the fuck up now. That's such a good idea, man. I don't know why I thought about it. I didn't even know you man played Clash in that, though, man. Again, we could see EG come back down to the DTO. Again, I think you don't really want to be buying them. Again, we're taking Friday higher, Pro Week high. I think it's difficult if you're taking these levels. Let me move this to the here a bit. That's better. Because we're just under the upper hand. Fell in love with a couple, man. Nah, that... What made you go with that bar? Who remembers that Tyler the Creator thing? Oh, by the way, Mace, does all Jack guy work from... Just Dave talk about... Oh, by the way, Mace, does that Jack guy work... Nah, he don't, bro. He don't work for us, man. He don't. I'll be real, bro. He's one of those guys that just chat shit actively. Like, actively does. There's loads of people that do, man. At the end of the day, bro. Couldn't give a fuck, really. Do. Yeah, help up set up the new Discord. Ratings for that. But then, yeah, actively, continuously talk shit. But then still joins the giveaways. Which is weird. Do. Right, you see, it's a bit weird. Yeah, man. I'll be honest, man. Not the energy that I don't even like. Whenever I see his name, the energy's just so off. I just don't even look at it. To be brutally honest, man. Same with that Quame. Yeah, Quamey was the same, man. Just actively negative, like. Like, why are you so negative, man? Like, why? Like, honestly, why, innit? Man, cheer the fuck up. If we're traders like we say we're traders, right, then we've got a lot of free time. Why are you not continuously happy? Like, I'm happy pretty much every fucking day. Man, how can you be a pissed off trader? It just doesn't make sense to me. Personally. I don't understand. Hey, Oda, boys. EJ's retracing a little. Yeah, Quamey was always like that, man. At the start, mate, it was worse than that, bro. It was just bad. It was just all the stuff he used to say was just better gay. Like, all of the stuff he used to say was just homo. That's why his name's Quamey, innit? That's why his name's Quamey. His name's Jamie. We gave him the name Quamey, which pretty much means it was like queer Jamie. That was the point of it. So that's why his name's Quamey. Just so we all can remember how, like, homo shit he used to say was. We're not really getting much, man. Yes, Chaz. Oi, Mehmet, get in the fucking blazzy, bro. Get in the classy. I'm gonna get my bready in there as well. We're coming back down on EG. We're going to come to detail. We'll see. Let's see. Again, it would be nice to come down because we've traded so high for the day. I don't really want to see EG hold high. In terms of good positions for Tuesday, it would be nice to see EG definitely come lower, back down to the Friday 50. Wow, fuck me, I'll be asking for a lot. Jesus, I forgot Friday had that move. Let me put it in. Popped it in there, boys. Yeah, but sorry, what I was saying about Euro GBP. So again, I think the best move now for EG for today would be a move to the downside. So tomorrow can be a lot more nicer for the buyers up. I don't really want to be continuously buying at high points. I want to see price come a lot more down. What actually was that on EG, man? EG's been moving. EG's dodge at the moment, man. And again, I don't think by the looks of it, the pound and the euro ain't much. There's not much in it at the moment for bullish and bearish. This is why I just think it's just dollar. It's just we're focusing on dollar. I think we're just gonna see the dollar go up today. Oh yeah. Clash tourney winners gets a funded. Chaz, you're not gonna win, man. Let's be honest. I'm winning it. Come on. The sheer ability of him. It's just the strategic moves. It's the I play chess, you play checkers type shit. Do you know what I mean? Tactics is higher than bounce, yeah, trust. No moves holding. Have you noticed that today? No moves really holding. The bullish move initially, and then the bearish move again, and then bullish again. Mainly bullish on EG, really. But going back to like GU, the main move down, then we've got the move back London up, and then we've got New York back down. Same thing. Asia down on EU, London up, and then New York started to... and then New York started to move down, right? So it's fucking difficult, lads. Difficult. Again, I think EJ are the nicest. It's the nicest I've seen today. Again, we was looking at potential buys this morning. Same as EU and GU, just run off without us. Yes, B-Dot's joining as well. Man, that B-Slam. Yeah, B-Slimmy. Mate, send me a Clash Royale on Discord. How do you add people on Clash Royale? You're the 1v1 me, are you? No, I do not want to 1v1 you. Bro said 9,700 trophies. 1v1 me? Fuck no, Mehmet. What the fuck? What are you trying to do, bro? Nah, let's run it. I don't know. Hopefully I got my right deck on. Hope I do. Mehmet, get in the clan. Mehmet, if you're not in the clan, we're not 1v1ing. You have to be in the Richards clan. You just have to. You got to be in the Familia before we 1v1. Before we go to the training grounds. Let's see what EG does at Detail, because he's coming for it. Yeah, go on, bro. We just fell in love. Oh, you can play Clash on laptop, innit? On PC. I can actually stream it. I could actually stream our game. I don't have it on Steam yet though. I do that often. Yes, ma'am. Yes, WBS. What we saying, bro? Come on, lads. How'd you do that war stuff then? Are we allowed to do that shit yet? I need 10 man. EG is just difficult, man. It doesn't want to come to that DTO. He just doesn't want to come to it. Is anyone else looking at anything else on different pairs? Because by the looks of it on these pairs, we don't really have anything. I can't because I still got to download it on. I still got to download it on Steam. I'm pretty sure. Fuck you, laugh at that, boy. Oh, you fucking bitch. Why are you laughing at me, though? Get her, please get her. Oh, you fuck, you're a pussy. You're a pussy, Endor. Bro, that card's so gay. Potential. Can it come back up to it? I'm not too sure, man. Stop fucking laughing, you prick. Oh, you're an absolute homo. No way you've got that. Oh, I hate you so much, man. You're such a bellend. Oh, you're such a bellend. Oh, you're such a bellend. Oh, I hate you, bro. I actually hate you. You're kicked out of the clan for using that. Can EG come back down is the main question. You're such a bellend. I feel like GU shorts from Dito could definitely happen. Can it come back to the Dito? It's close. It's close to it. Thank you. Look at that pre-arrows. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's got Evo bats. Okay. Evo bats. I think EJ. I reckon EJ would be a lot nicer. No, I didn't use, bro. Edit the Mega Knight just gets. Oh, you're such a bellend. No, he didn't, bro. He's got a fucking mortar in it. That's me fucked. Don't get the tail, you little prick. Oh no. Forgot you had that. We're just stagnant at the moment, man. Just so stagnant. So stagnant. No, I put it too far back. Oh, fuck. Oh! We have to play again. We have to play again. Fuck you. Oh, that mortar, man. That bloody mortar. Triple draft. Ah, yeah, I wouldn't do a triple draft with me, man. Game over for you. Wrong choice, brother. Oh, he's laughing. I don't like the way you're laughing. I didn't even see what cards you had, man. Didn't even see what cards you had. Oh, he's definitely got Mega Knight, bro. Fucking hell. That... Jesus Christ, man. I wasn't expecting you to put all that down straight. See, look at EU, man. Look at EU. EG. Oh, he's got freeze. Yeah, Shane, what we saying, bro? How's it going, man? But is anyone looking at anything else? Other than EU, GU, EJ, or fucking... Not EJ. EJ looks nice. But I just can't... EU and GU is just doing piss all, man. What, did you jump in anything today, Shane? Oh, you stopped lost, didn't you? Oh, he's got fucking hogs. That's why he was laughing. Oh, it's coming back down now. Come back down. Nah, no entries for London, man. No entries for London. Absolutely none. In terms of New York, man, I'm not gonna lie, it's just been as shit as London, to be honest. Just as shit as London. Oh, you're such a bell end. Hog freeze is crazy. Someone arrest this guy, bro. Oh. Yeah, no way. No way. Way too premature. Oh, fuck that, Peakley. You little cunt. Oh, you bellend. Yeah, boys, I'll be honest, there's nothing else for the rest of the day, man. I don't like how the recordings are just now in the fucking clan chat as well. I don't really like that. I think that's it. I think we're going to have to call it a day, really, on the charts, boys. Nothing's forming. The day's weird, right? Up, down, up. Well, no, down, up, down in terms of EU. GU, down, up, down. EG, up, down, up, down, up, down. Fuck me. Dollar, up, down, up, down. No, up, down, up. It's a shite day. It's a shite day for the charts. Again, it's just mainly around the uncertainty of tariffs. That's the reason why. Is anyone looking at anything else before I jump off? Anyone looking at any other charts? It was like a whole... A what? Oh, wait, what? Did I miss something? Oh, right, up, down, yeah. Down, up, down. Thanks. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off then if you're not looking at anything else. We're back tomorrow. Obviously, tomorrow's going to be much more of a better day just because it's Tuesday. We'll see what trades we get. We'll see what more trade talks we get for this New York session. I'm going to keep up to date with news. Pre-London, I'll update you boys of what has really come out. But I'm going to go knit out for the rest of the day, boys. Just watch the news and see where we're at really tomorrow. You, man? As always, man, love you all. Make sure you're all subbed. If you're not subbed again, you are crazy. You're probably going to go to hell. That's just how it works. I don't make the rules. I just abide by them. You, man?